So now we're going to start increasing and starting the front part of the bikini. So to increase, you're going to put 2 double crochet in the first stitch and 2 double crochet in the last stitch. On every row you do to increase, you're going to always put 2 double crochet in the first stitch and 2 double crochet in the last stitch. And after you do the 2 double crochet in the first stitch, you're just going to keep on double crocheting all the way down until you get to the last stitch. As you see, it is starting to take shape of a pair of underwear or a pair of bikini bottoms. You're just going to keep on increasing, and I did it for 8 rows. After we finish this last increase, that's going to be the last double crochet, and we're going to start off doing chains for the tie straps. And for my tie straps, I did 80 chains. So for all 4 straps, you should have 80 chains or however many chains that you need, so they will be equal and they'll all be the same length. Here I'm just reattaching the yarn. That's how you want to do for your other straps. And chaining 80 as well. Here you have it. These cute, cheeky bikini bottoms. Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend, Yeah, thank y'all for watching. Any videos y'all would like to see, make sure you leave them in the comments down below. Peace.